Alright, I'm trying to make this video short and sweet, but here's my dash cam. It's right behind my mirror. You can see it right there. And right now it's powered off because I haven't been in my car in a while, and yeah. And then here's the rear one. It's just stuck up there with like a little like adhesive strip that they give you whenever you buy it for both of them, so you can like unplug it. Well, I don't want to, but yeah, I will, just to show you real quick. So this is the cable that goes to the rear. And this is the power cable that runs to the Power Magic Pro, and then it runs to the fuse box. And then you can just pull it out, and that's the little holder. It's adhesively attached. And this is it right here. Or the one I have at least, but yeah. And then on the side, this thing like pops off, and then it's got your SD card right there. So yeah, let me put it back up there though. You just like slide it back in. And then this thing like kind of tightens around it so it doesn't move while you're driving too much. And then if you go out and look at it, you can barely see it because it's hidden kind of. And it's black also. You can if you're up close, but at night you can't see that shit. And then in the back you definitely can't see it because my windows are tinted, but you can still see out of the camera, like in the app and shit. It's all good shit. I'll show you the app too real quick. Let's plug it in again. Ugh. This is my tablet right here. Blackvue. I gotta plug it in. Shit. Got fucking cables everywhere. Gotta fix this shit this weekend. Fuck. Drop my shit and break it. Hold on. Should be powering up now. Yeah, you can see the light on it. It doesn't take very long to power up either. But yeah, I use the older version of the app because I don't really use the cloud shit, but some people want to use it. I gotta turn my brightness down so you can see it. Maybe. Fucking camera refocus or something. Can't read the text. Fuck. Can't read the text, but yeah. It says don't watch Blackvue videos or set a Blackvue dashboard camera when driving. Blah blah blah. And now you can see the little orange light, which means it's recording on it. Yeah, right there. And then you can go in here and hit the little Wi-Fi thingy, and then it'll scan for it. I'm pretty sure you have to turn it on. Like, Wi-Fi is not always on the thing because some people don't reset their passwords to them, so you don't want somebody out in the open to connect to it. But you just tap this side, and it should turn like the Wi-Fi on actually. Oh, there it goes.
Audio recording disabled.
Fuck. There it is. You see the Wi-Fi. You can fucking block some of this light. You can see the Wi-Fi symbol lit up, and then now you can go down here and search for it again. Okay, maybe it's not turned on. Hold on. thought it was.
Wi-Fi on.
Oh, there you go. It's actually the other side. You have to hit like the power button on the side. You tap it once and then you'll see the Wi-Fi symbol come on. And it'll start blinking once it's like in access point mode. And then you can scan for it in the app itself. And it should show up as whatever name I called it. I think it's like Blackvue still or something, I'm not sure. Yeah, I call it Sting BV, Sting Blackvue. I'm gonna have to remember my password. I think I use the default password, which is Blackvue. I should probably change that. And then it'll connect to it. It says please wait for a while. And now I'm connected to it. Wi-Fi is connected. You want to keep your current Wi-Fi connection information. Okay. Your Blackvue Wi-Fi password is the default one. Better change your password. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to do that because it's not always on. And then you can hit these tabs over here. This one's the front. And you can like select if you want the rear too, like to show the rear camera stuff. Which I don't even have it recording right now. I can see like the parking shit. Oh yeah, there's like the live view of it. You can flip it. I must have plugged my rear camera in wrong because it's not working right now. That's why it says that I can't view or flip the camera to the rear, but typically you can. It has a light on the camera if it's actually powered on in the back, and it was, but actually it came unplugged in the back, so I gotta fix that whenever I get done with this video. But you can go into configuration settings and change like app settings. You can change firmware settings with the camera, and it'll synchronize the time and whatever else, like all kinds of shit. That's pretty much it. It's like a pretty sweet ass little thing though. But yeah, I just like having a tablet in here so I don't have to pull my phone out all the time. But I do have the app on my phone, and it actually works better with the updated app. I just don't use it because, yeah. Anyway, that's the end of my video. If you got any other questions, hit me up.